Hello sweet team, welcome back to Mekeyroyal's kitchen. Today I bring your way fried plantain and veggie sauce. This is my ingredients.
Mekeyroyal's kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. Sizzling, bubbling, flavor so bold. Grandma's secrets and stories untold. Bringing the heat, yeah, watch me flow. From home-cooked meals to a five-star show.
The plantain is already washed. I'll peel and cut it into slices, just as I am doing it.
Like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. So grab a plate, let's celebrate. Good food, good vibes, yeah, it's never too late. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, let's make it right. Serving up flavors day and night. Fire up the stove, let's get to cooking. Flavors on point, yeah, we ain't just looking. From spice to sweet, every dish is a vibe. Welcome to the kitchen, come on, take a ride. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. Sizzling, bubbling, flavor so bold. Grandma's secrets and stories untold. Bringing the heat, yeah, watch me flow. From home-cooked meals to a five-star show. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine.
I am doing it in the video. My plantain is all cut. I will transfer it into the bowl. I will add salt, black pepper powder, and a little water. Then I will mix.
Cooking with passion, just for you. So grab a plate, let's celebrate. Good food, good vibes, yeah, it's never too late. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, let's make it right. Serving up flavors day and night. Fire up the stove, let's get to cooking. Flavors on point, yeah, we ain't just looking. From spice to sweet, every dish
It together on a stove. I have my saucepan and I will add oil and let the oil heat. I will transfer my sliced plantain into the oil and let it fry. If today is your first time on this channel, you are warmly welcome to this family. and I want to welcome all my subscribers and my return viewers. God bless you guys so much for supporting me. If you have been watching my videos and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel because it helps me a lot. So please subscribe. Don't just come and watch and go. Subscribe to this channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel and click on notification bell to be notified anytime I drop a video. I have told you already that this Christmas I am bringing your way recipes to elevate your cooking at home. So stay tuned and be expectant to receive it.
Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. So grab a plate, let's celebrate. Good food, good vibes, yeah, it's never too late. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, let's make it right. Serving up flavors day and night. Fire up the stove, let's get to cooking. Flavors on point, yeah, we ain't just looking. From spice to sweet, every dish is a vibe. Welcome to the kitchen, come on, take a ride. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From our
I will turn the other side for it to fry too. After frying the other side, then I will remove it from the oil. I will repeat the process till I am done.
from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. Sizzling, bubbling, flavors so bold. Grandma's secrets and stories untold. Bringing the heat, yeah, watch me flow. From home-cooked meals to a five-star show. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. So grab a plate, let's celebrate. Good food, good vibes, yeah, it's never too late. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, let's make it right. Serving up flavors day and night. Fire up the stove, let's get to cooking. Flavors on point, yeah, we ain't just looking. From spice to sweet, every dish is a vibe. Welcome to the kitchen, come on, take a ride. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. Sizzling, bubbling, flavors so bold. Grandma's secrets and stories untold. Bringing the heat, yeah, watch me flow. From home-cooked meals to a five-star show. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece hit subscribe. Let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. So grab a plate, let's celebrate. Good food, good vibes, yeah, it's never too late. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, let's make it right. Serving up flavors day and night.
In my saucepan, I'll add oil, and I will add grounded ginger, garlic, and diced onion. I will give it a stir. I'll keep on stirring for 1 minute.
Fire up the stove, let's get to cooking. Flavors on point, yeah, we ain't just looking. From spice to sweet, every dish is a vibe. Welcome to the kitchen, come on, take a ride.
After 1 minute, I will add my chopped tomatoes and green pepper and stir it, and I will leave it for 1 minute and stir again. After 2 minutes,
Mekeyroyal's kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. Sizzling, bubbling, flavors so bold.
I will add 1 TBS of grounded fresh chili. I will stir and cover it with the lid and leave it for 2 minutes. I will be stirring it every 1 minute to prevent it from burning. I will stir and
Made by hand, from my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. So grab a plate, let's celebrate. Good food, good vibes, yeah, it's never too late. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, let's make it right. Serving up flavors day and night.
add half Maggi cube, salt, and curry powder. I will cover it with the lid again and leave it for 2 minutes. But I will stir it every 1 minute to prevent it from burning. If you have watched the video till this time and you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel because your subscription is helping my channel grow, and give me a thumb, please. Thank you for supporting me.
Spice to sweet, every dish is a vibe. Welcome to the kitchen, come on, take a ride. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. Sizzling, bubbling, flavors so bold. Grandma's secrets and stories untold. Bringing the heat, yeah, watch me flow. From home-cooked meals to a 5-star show. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal kitchen, taste the love.
After 2 minutes, it's done. Let's take it off the heat and serve it. The kitchen smells so good. This tastes really good, and you can add kind of protein you want. You have to try this at home, especially this Christmas for your kids and the whole family, and share this video with your loved ones. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.